Hello students, welcome to the first chapter, Introduction to the Parliamentary System, Part 1, Standard 8, Subject Civics. Introduction. In this chapter, we will learn the machinery or the system of government as given in the Indian Constitution. Every country has a different form of government. Let us get the information about the main branches of government. The main branches of the government are legislative, executive, and judicial. The function of the legislature is to make laws. The executive implements the laws, and the judiciary provides justice. The function of these organs, their jurisdiction, and limitations on their power, and the interrelationship between these organs are decided by the Constitution. It is the nature of their interrelationship that determines the system of government adopted in a particular country. There are two main types of government systems that are followed: parliamentary system and presidential system. Let us study about parliamentary system of government. The parliamentary system of government, having its roots in Parliament, is considered as a contribution of England. India has adopted this parliamentary system. We can see some broad similarities in the parliamentary system of England and the parliamentary system of India. Let us understand the characteristics of Indian parliamentary system of government in India. The parliamentary system is a system of governance. The legislature of the central government is known as the parliament. The Indian parliament is composed of President, Lok Sabha, and Rajya Sabha. Members of the Lok Sabha are directly elected by the people. The number of members in the House is fixed. Elections to the Lok Sabha are held at regular intervals. All political parties contest these elections. The party which gets more than half of the seats is considered as a majority party. The majority party forms the government. Sometimes, when no party gets a clear majority, some parties come together to form a majority and they can establish the government. This kind of a government is known as coalition government. Candidates directly elected by the people become the members of legislature, and the party in majority gets a chance to form the government. The leader of the majority party becomes the prime minister. Prime Minister selects the candidates for ministerial position from his or her colleagues. The Prime Minister and the Council of Ministers chosen by the Prime Minister together forms the executive in the parliamentary system of government. In the next part of this chapter, we shall study some more characteristics of parliamentary system as well as the presidential system of government.